Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to disable call on your Telegram account. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notifications. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. So Telegram allows users to make a video or a voice call to their friends and other new contacts all over the world. But sometimes this can be annoying as you already have other means of calling platform like FaceTime, WhatsApp and normal telephone calls which do this, and you don't want to be contacted on Telegram. So let me show you how to turn off the calling feature on Telegram. Open your Telegram app on your iPhone. Now tap on settings at the bottom right. Then tap on privacy and security. Now within privacy section, find calls. As you can see, calls has been set to everybody, so everyone can call you. Tap on calls. Now from the section where it says who can call me, select nobody. Now tap on back twice to save your settings. Now if anyone tries to call you, they'll get a call fail message on their screen, and it'll let the opposite party know that due to your privacy settings, it has been disabled. And there you go, that is how to disable call on your Telegram account. My name is Karthik and you're watching Simple Dad. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.